Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be making some bomb salsa for some tacos. We're going to need some green tomatillos, some chile cascabel, which is that black looking pepper there. It's called cascabel in Spanish, but in English it's called jingle bell chili. So however you can find it, you need 4 of those, and then about half a handful of chile seco, which is the red one, and about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. So the first thing we're going to do is going to throw the chile cascabel and the chile seco onto a skillet or pan or whatever you like, and we're going to grill it a little bit, and then we're going to take another one for the tomatillos. Now I put the foil on, that way they don't stick. Tomatillos let off like a really sticky juice, and it sucks to clean up off of the pan. So I do foil on top just so it's an easier cleanup. And we want to get these real nice and grilled from each side. Just keep moving them, that way they don't get too burnt from one side. That way they all cook evenly. And they will look a little burnt in some places, but that's normal, that's what you want. You just don't want it too overburnt in just one location. So we got the tomatillos cooking. This is about when they're ready to go. So then we're going to take the chile cascabel and the chile seco off of the pan. And then we're going to go ahead and throw the tomatillos in. You can use a blender, like a chopper. You can even just mash it yourself, but I mean, easiest is just to throw it into a blender or a chopper. And then boom, look, you just take the foil off and your pan is perfectly clean. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our garlic powder and then a little bit of salt. And about a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna mix it up. This is about what it should look like when you're mixing. And then there you have it. This also goes great with tacos. I mean, if you want, you should dip your chips in it too. Use it as a dip, however you like. But it is perfect for tacos, burritos, quesadillas, anything you like to throw it on. But it's amazing. So there you have it. Some salsa for tacos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more videos. Thank you.